Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, trailer tow with brake controller, Bose sound system, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and cup holder storage in the bottom. Speakers right next to it. You got the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the heated cooled seats, as well as your seat memory. You also get the chrome running boards here as well. Also the seats both power adjustable, like I said, heated and cooled, super comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive and lighting controls with the brake controller just on the bottom. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, and the right side will be your voice recognition, as well as your volume control. Now for the odometer, all your controls will be right here, and you can pretty much access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your fuel. You can see your gauges as well. Pretty straightforward. You got your tire pressure, trailer gain output as well, and it's just pretty standard. Classic calm truck shifter with your tow mode. Pretty straightforward radio. You got your AM, FM, as well as a CD player with aux right next to it. Climate controls, just the dual zone with two 12 volts right there. Your exhaust brake right next to it. You're gonna have the center console, extra cup holders, and a USB port just in there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and cooled. It's gonna have that chrome go across. Equipped to the Bose speaker sound system, and up top you can access your reading lamps and your power sliding sun. You're gonna have these 18-inch chromed wheels on Goodyear all-terrain adventure tires. You're gonna have the Duramax and Allison transmission badging. These big tow mirrors, you're gonna have the Stampede sun guards as well. The Retrax tonneau cover, Z71 package as well with the chrome corner step bumper, trailer hitch, fifth wheel is under, big exhaust. You're gonna have bed tie downs and hitch points to the side. Very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, speakers on the bottom, door handle, power windows. Back, pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with a rear 12-volt DC port. As well as you're going to have a cup holder and armrest. Seats fold up for more storage. Lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as a power sliding sunroof, heated and cooled leather seats, sprayed bed liner, tow mirrors with brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.